Hello Silver fans, welcome to Silver Bull channel. Don't you just love it when you're trying to make a YouTube video and you get constant interruptions with phones and things like this? This is about the 5th time now I've tried to do this video, so I'll try again. For those who don't know, this is the Kitco, probably the best place to go for a 24-hour spot chart. And we can see silver yesterday, the red line there being yesterday's line, closed above $30, in fact $30.50. There were some predicting, including Guild 40, that would see a pullback at $30, and sure enough we've seen a drop of nearly $2 down to $28.50 right there as people took profits. However, the underlying demand's still there. It's gone back up to just under $29, and it may be, we'll see whether it's got any more steam to break 30 again this year, or whether that will be its peak for this year. Interesting to see. For those who don't know, the Kitco silver charts, they include the historical charts, which are really useful. You can get monthly averages, decade trading, multi-decade, and you just click the ones you want. In this case I'll click every month this year, 2010. We'll have a quick review, and you'll see in most months there's a high and a low, and your day traders or your intra-month traders are looking to make profits by picking when that is either going long or short, depending on which way they believe the market's going. I haven't got the skills to do that, and nor do I want to take on that level of risk, so I'm much more happier just to hold the physical. And my view is, worst case scenario, in 25 years it's going to be worth a lot more than it is now, and it'll make a nice retirement portfolio if nothing else. You see the low of the year was in February. It was just above $15, and we've seen climbs basically since then. It's just continued going up in price. There's some months where we have seen big volatility, like in May there. June, July are normally the traditional months for quite a big pullback. It didn't really happen. And since August, when we had on this couple of big days of climb, we've just seen it go from strength to strength, particularly in September, where it had gains nearly all month long. October, where it really started taking off. Short pullback on profit taking and up again. November, up again. And now in December we've just seen it gain even more, though we've seen that slight pullback. Have we seen the high for the year? Where's it going next year? Those are all questions that if you knew the answer to, you'd probably make a lot of money. But certainly I'm happy to buy physical silver at 30 an ounce, because even if I see a drop in the next year or 2 years, I'm happy to hold it for even longer. If it does play out like Mr. Maloney says in his book as a wealth cycle, and it becomes better to invest in real estate, I'm happy to change over. But if it doesn't, I'm still happy to hold that silver for a long term, like 25 years as a retirement, because I don't trust our governments to not raid our pension accounts next time some global financial crisis or war comes along. They'll just say, oh well, we'll take those off you, and thanks for paying those pensions all that year, we'll just take it as an additional tax. And I imagine the same in the US, where they have those other accounts. I'd be thinking the government there would be tempted to do the same. I want to welcome the new subscribers. If you do like the channel, tell your friends to subscribe as well. My personal goal for this channel is to have over 1,000 subscribers and over 1 million views. I don't think I'll achieve that this year, but maybe next year. We'll see how we go, see how close I can get to that. And I'd love a Google partnership so that I can then use the money from the advertising to buy more silver. That's the idea. And have a bit of fun and discussion with other people on YouTube as well. If I don't reach that goal, so be it. But it's nice to have aims in your life, and that's one of mine. Hope you enjoy and keep stacking.